I'm Aparna and I'm uh, based in Udupi, that's Karnataka, and I graduated in 2013. Then I also did my company secretaryship course, so I have passed CS professional, and uh, I was practicing for a while, but due to some family commitments, I couldn't be regular enough. And I also taught the company secretary students and chartered accountant students the subjects like general and business laws, security laws, company law. So I used to teach them on a part-time basis. I practiced in a civil course regarding real estates, civil matters and all. Now actually I'm doing my training, that's practical training, and I'm practicing company secretary. That's for 1 year. I was teaching the students, always they would ask questions. They would ask me regarding the examples, how it would happen in the actual world. So all this, for these questions, I used to browse the internet, and most of the time I used to get the articles from the blog, that is iPreaders blog, and also I think I had registered for the emails. I used to get emails from LawSeco regularly. Initially, I did not notice, but later, one day when I read it, found it interesting, and daily when I saw that they were sending emails with original contents, I really thought like it's not an easy task to write a content every day and send it through mails. So when I used to follow them regularly, somewhere I read that's diploma in mergers and acquisitions. Different diplomas are there, seats are available. So I thought, why not let me give a try on those things. So for that reason, I joined mergers and acquisitions. So like practical examples, I think I may know that I may learn from this diploma course. For that reason, I joined the mergers and acquisition course. Basically regarding the investment laws, the debt finance, and the identification of different types of securities, how to invest, the investors. Mainly while solving the assignments, I found it very useful. Like we'll read the topic and then uh, we'll analyze how it will work, how it will tally with the real life situations. Otherwise, we would read only the theory part and we would forget it. But by writing and by doing these assignments, example in the case of FDI, foreign portfolio investors, all these things I learned, and I could easily solve the assignment and I could submit because the modules were well drafted and also it was well guided. I learned these many things in these 3 months regarding the company law, some of the portions of the company law and FDI. So in one of the assignments, we had to submit. There was an exercise that we have to make a comparative analysis of the chart regarding different types of securities, like convertible preference shares, debentures, and all. So just I tried and I uploaded in LinkedIn. So that received a huge uh, support. Like many people appreciated it and it was shared, and so that was a boosting thing for me. And I'm planning to do many more charts and share it, because basically I like doing these comparative charts, making notes, preparing notes for the students while teaching, so that it could be easy. And now I'm getting a clear picture like how to do these things and share it in the social networking sites. So this is one of the parts of such exercises. So this is one example. uh, I would always refer to the males. So I was always wondering how could they produce so many contents that original contents. And I was really appreciating these things. There are different types of courses. One which I had enrolled, that's mergers and acquisitions. And I was also interested in other things like media, entertainment law, intellectual property law. So all these things, uh, I couldn't enroll to them separately. It would cost a huge thing. But somewhere I found that I read in one article that by accessing into master access course, we'll get access to all this. It's like a library, and we'll get so about 80 courses. 80 courses we get access. So I was really surprised by this fact, and so I thought that it could create some value to my education and also practical knowledge by solving the assignments, whichever assignments they give in these many exercises, diploma courses, executive courses. So by solving all these things, I thought I may solve the thing and it would get evaluated. I would know my pros and cons, my mistakes. So for all these things, and it was for 5 years, master access. So I thought in this, especially in this lockdown period, we could study and could update our skills. For that reason, I joined into master access. It's like a huge sea. I want to uh, see each and every module. It's really nice, and I'm thinking where to begin, where to start, how to solve, how to begin with each module. So I was thinking like that. That's a nice thing. There are many courses. It's covering almost all the subjects, different areas of law. Anyone can access, and any the person who is in any field can read those, and they can get the required answers from these courses. I think mainly the practical thing. Theory we get in the bare acts and other textbooks, but the practical and the analysis of the practical and theoretical law, that we will get in this master access course. Great platform for learning for those legal aspirants. Especially we get a very good support from all the team members. They're always at our help, I guess, because whenever I have inquired something, immediately they have replied, and they have solved our queries. And also the evaluation pattern, how they give feedback to our assignments, and the way they update their modules, that's actually a great thing. And I have done many courses like diploma course, different from different platforms, but nowhere have seen this kind of course where we get the problem solving approach. Otherwise, we would just read the theory and we would pass to clear them. But this Law Seeker platform is where we get the actual real life experience in the uh, legal field. This is what I feel regarding law platform.